Hello guys, welcome back friends. In that tutorial friends, I am going to apply that beautiful and an awesome sticker option. So guys, for putting an awesome stickers, I will simply go on that options. So there's a file options, so we try some of them in it. So there's no one, these are the arrows. And so friends, in that we could apply beautiful arrows and the pictures, and now we could try another one. These are the graphs, so here are the some drippings. So these are such kind of a dripping, and these are the patterns. So guys, here from that brushes I have to choose that one to put on the pictures which have been put on it. Now I would try to adjust it on the side of the image which is looking like that.